Are you struggling to grow your brand on social media? Let's fix that today. In this video, I'll share powerful social media strategies that actually work and can skyrocket your online presence. Let's dive in. The first step is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their interests, problems, and goals? Tailor your content to solve their pain points or add value to their lives. When you connect with your audience on a deeper level, they'll stick around. Next, consistency is key. Post regularly and at the right times. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Use a content calendar to stay organized and ensure you're delivering fresh and engaging content week after week. Quality over quantity is essential. Whether it's videos, photos, or text posts, ensure your content is visually appealing, informative, and shareable. Hook your audience in the first few seconds and always provide value. Don't forget to leverage trends wisely. Stay up to date with social media trends. Use trending hashtags, music, or challenges to boost visibility. But remember, authenticity matters. Align trends with your brand message to make an impact. Finally, engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Reply to comments, ask questions, and engage in conversations with your followers. People love brands that are relatable and interactive. Want more tips like these? Follow my page for actionable strategies to grow your brand and achieve social media success. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.